In this video, I will show you how to reverse a video on CapCut PC. Let's get started. Open the CapCut application on your computer. Click on New Project. Then use the Import button to upload your desired video clip. Select your video and click Open. Drag and drop your video onto the timeline for editing. Let's play the normal video. To reverse, click on your video clip in the timeline. Then find and click the Reverse button located above the timeline, resembling a play button icon. Wait for CapCut to process the reversal. Now let's play the reversed video. As you can see, the video is successfully reversed.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.